Boba.
黑糖珍珠粉圆。
100 grams tapioca starch, 20 grams brown sugar and 65 grams water. Seasoning 3 teaspoons brown sugar. Pour 10 grams brown sugar into 65 grams water in a pot and bring to a boil. Pour the boiled sugar water into the tapioca starch and stir to form a non-sticky dough. Then roll it into thin strips and then cut into small pieces. And roll the small pieces of dough with your hands on the board. Roll each small piece of dough into a small ball. The water in the pot is boiled first. Immediately after adding the boba, gently move the boba with a spoon few times. Wait until the boba rises to the surface and then boil again before covering the pot. Change to medium lukewarm heat and cook for 15 minutes. When the time is up, do not open the lid and simmer for 10 minutes. Take out the boba and add the brown sugar into the boba and mix well. Enjoy! Boba with iced coffee or tea.